Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make card magic using an easy method. We'll dive into 3 foundational techniques that will empower you to perform impressive tricks with a regular deck of 52 cards. You'll learn how to subtly control cards, maintain their order, and present your magic with confidence. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to captivate your audience and create moments of wonder, all with just a few simple moves and a little practice. One of the most powerful tools in a magician's arsenal is the card force. We'll focus on the riffle force, a simple yet effective method to subtly guide your spectator to select a specific card without them realizing it. Hold the deck in one hand, riffle the cards, and have them say stop. With a bit of practice, you can ensure they always stop at your predetermined card. This technique requires smooth execution and a confident demeanor to be truly convincing. After a card has been selected and returned, you often need to shuffle the deck without disturbing its order. This is where a false shuffle comes in handy. We'll explore a basic method that appears to thoroughly mix the cards, but in reality, it keeps your key card exactly where you want it. The trick is to make your movements look natural and unhurried. Consistent practice will ensure your false shuffle is undetectable, adding to the mystery of your performance. Beyond the mechanics, successful card magic relies heavily on presentation and practice. Craft a compelling story or patter to accompany your trick, engaging your audience's imagination. Master the art of misdirection, subtly drawing attention away from your secret moves. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to practicing your techniques until they become second nature. Remember, confidence and a good performance can make even the simplest trick feel truly magical to your audience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.